Nothing makes me happier than seeing my illustration comes to life. From pins to patches, hats to hoodies, I believe creativity does not end on paper. Hi, my name is Alice. I'm an illustrator and also the creator of the brand The Goodbunny Club. Today, I'm excited to show you how I turn some sketches into a drawing and then into an awesome transparent sticker. At the end of the class, you'll design a character on a sticker and have a polished vector file ready to send to a print shop. We'll go through the process together, from planning to execution to prepping the file to print. Together, we'll brainstorm ideas, explore different design approaches, and review the technical steps when creating a sticker. Along the way, I'll also share my iPad Pro drawing techniques, Adobe Illustrator setups, and tips on how to make image trace our best friend. This class combines creative thinking and technical skills. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned designer, if you enjoy going beyond the page with your art, this class is for you.